In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watchers to tasks in ClickUp. Adding watchers is a simple but powerful way to keep the right people informed about what's happening on a task without assigning it to them directly. Watchers, sometimes called followers, will receive notifications about updates, comments, and changes, so they can stay in the loop without needing to constantly check the task themselves. Let's walk through the process from inside a ClickUp workspace. First, open the task you want to work with. You can do this from any view where your tasks are listed, like List View, Board View, or Calendar View. Just click on the task's name to open it in full view. This will bring up the detailed task window where you can see things like the description, comments, assignees, and due dates. Once the task is open, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the task window. Here you'll see a small bell icon. Sometimes you might also see a number next to the bell. That number represents how many watchers are currently following this task. If there are no watchers yet, you may just see the bell by itself. To add watchers, click directly on that bell icon. A small menu or panel will appear, showing the people who are already watching the task, if any, and giving you a way to add more. In the search field that appears, start typing the name or email of the person you want to add as a watcher. ClickUp will suggest matching users from your workspace as you type. When you see the person you want, click on their name to add them as a watcher. You can repeat this process to add multiple watchers at once, which is especially useful for cross-functional tasks that involve several team members or stakeholders. After you select someone, you'll notice their avatar appear in the watchers list, usually next to the bell icon, and it will be highlighted to indicate they're now following the task. From this point on, they'll start receiving notifications about updates to the task, such as status changes, new comments, or adjustments to due dates and assignees. If at any time you need to remove a watcher, you can return to the same bell icon and deselect their name from the list. That way you can keep notifications targeted to the people who truly need them, and that's all there is to it. By opening the task, locating the bell icon, selecting the users you want, and confirming their avatars are highlighted, you've successfully added watchers to your ClickUp task and made your workflow more transparent and collaborative.